You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all, correctly, and clarify the pronunciation. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations in English vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Primarily, Alright, sometimes the r syllable can be kind of skipped, or you can say primarily, alright, or primarily, with schwa sounds. Primarily is how you pronounce it in English. Pronunciation, primarily, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.